Good morning, students. I am Bharti Arora, your English language teacher. So let's start today's English class. For a few days, we have been knowing about the legendary Shehnai player of India, Bismillah Khan. In the last video, we learnt about the transformation of Pungi to Shehnai and about childhood of Bismillah Khan, and we also learnt that film director Vijay Bhatt's film Goonj Uthi Shehnai, which was based on Bismillah Khan's adapt Shehnai, it was a hit. Now, next point. One of the Bismillah Khan's compositions, Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya, turned out to be a nationwide chart buster. Chart buster means it was very hit, it broke all the previous records. This song was there in the movie Goonj Uthi Shehnai, and what are the lyrics of the song? Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. So this is the picture associated with the song. In this manner, the song was picturized. Except this achievement, Bismillah Khan's one more venture was a huge success. Vikram Srinivasa's Kannada movie Sanadhi Apanna. So this scene is from Kannada film Sanadhi Apanna. Let's learn further. Next point. Bismillah Khan's ventures in film music were limited to these two. Recently we read about Goonj Uthi Shehnai, directed by Vijay Bhatt, and Sanadhi Apanna, the Kannada venture made by Vikram Srinivasa. Next point. Bismillah Khan says with emphasis, I just can't come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world. He says by pressurizing on the fact, by laying emphasis on the fact that he doesn't feel comfortable or he doesn't like the world of artificiality. Artificiality means the tendency of being artificial, not natural. And glamour means attraction and tendency of appealing. So he doesn't like that artificiality and glamour of the celluloid world. Celluloid world means movie production and all. That's why his ventures were limited to 2 movies only. Next point. He became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. Lincoln Center Hall, it is a complex of buildings in New York City, and there is a huge auditorium in which Bismillah Khan was honorably invited to perform. As you can see in this picture, it's Lincoln Center Hall where Bismillah Khan was respectfully invited to perform in front of a huge audience. Except this, Bismillah went to Cannes Art Festival, Osaka Trade Fair, Montreal World Expo. He became internationally so well known that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him. And what is the name of that particular auditorium? That is kept after his name, Tahar Mausiki Ustad Bismillah Khan. Now let's talk about his achievements or the awards conferred upon him. National awards like the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan were conferred upon him. This is Padma Shri award. This is the 4th highest award, highest civilian award of the Republic of India. Then Bismillah Khan was also bestowed upon by Padma Bhushan. This is Padma Bhushan. This is the 3rd highest civilian award of Republic of India. Then Padma Vibhushan award. This is the 2nd highest civilian award of Republic of India. In the year 2001, he was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. So this is the first highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. So In the next point, let's learn about his expression, about his response after getting Bharat Ratna. With the coveted award resting on his chest and his eyes glinting with happiness, he said, "Coveted means most desired." And that most desired, much desired award was resting on his chest. There was shining in his eyes, shine of happiness, glinting means shining. And what did he say? He urged the Indians to teach their children music. As you can see in this quotation, Bismillah Khan is urging us, teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the West is now coming to it. That means even the Western people are getting attracted towards Indian classical music. Next point, in spite of having traveled all over the world, Khan Saab is exceedingly fond of Banaras and Doomrao. Khan Saab, Bismillah Khan is lovingly called Khan Saab, and exceedingly means very much, excessively. Fond of Banaras, he loves Banaras, he yearns to be in Banaras. And Doomrao, this is Banaras and this is Doomrao. Doomrao is a subdivision in the Buxar district of Bihar. Next point, it's very important, that shows Bismillah Khan's love towards the country. Once what happened, one of his students wanted him to head a Shehnai school in the USA. One of his students invited him, offered him or asked him to head a Shehnai school in the USA. To head here means to become a head person of Shehnai school, to open it or to establish a Shehnai school in the USA. The student promised to create the atmosphere of Banaras there, and the student promised to Bismillah Khan that he would be recreating the atmosphere of Banaras there, because he knows very well that how much fond Bismillah Khan is of Banaras and India. Next point, Bismillah Khan refused. He clearly refused to head any Shehnai school, any organization in the USA, asking him, because he asked him whether he would be able to bring the holy river Ganga there, and it was impossible for the student. It shows Bismillah Khan's grave love for country. He is a great patriot. Next point, his life is a perfect example of rich cultural heritage of India. What is heritage? Heritage is something that we have inherited from our ancestors, that has existed for a long time, and it is of great importance. Next point, he effortlessly accepts that a devout Muslim like him, devout means devoted towards his religion, can very naturally play the Shehnai every morning at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. So how beautiful is this, children, that being a devoted Muslim, Khan Saab plays Shehnai every morning at Kashi Vishwanath temple without any discrimination. How beautiful is this example, children. Next point, Ustad Bismillah Khan passed away on 21st August 2006 at the age of 90 after a prolonged illness. For a long time he remained unwell, and on 21st August 2006 he left the mortal world. He was given a state funeral, and the government of India declared one day of national mourning. His cremation was done with state honor, and one day mourning, one day grief, GRIEF, national grief was declared, because it was a great loss to the nation. So today we have finished second part of the second chapter, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.